Okay, so being country Ralph say, if we are saying one nya baby ana kasa tenten bibi o, e na nya baby anso na ye kire ya adwe ho, baby wo do a ye din hwe bi na twam ko.
Yo, na why na ma Ralph koko gina baby speed in channel. Won kwasi asem bi anka nim go asem bi anka Ralph koko akogu ye. Ralph ja jimi no wate. Wo kwati tinte so agogu speed so sa ade. Enti IshowSpeed we ni live stream no. Oda kogu oko back. Na buza Ghana there no so ba Ghana fe na. Yeah, my reactions on that. Ralph, already have idea so good there. Why the friend Ralph for honor? Was ya Ralph ko yam krasi sem bo honor mo. Ye be ka ho asem. Na eyi so kwaji na nisu. Say it's no problem for me. Every problem for me. Ogoje le so ba. Ye woni si je. Na fe buku mbanku. Eso eya de bi wo ho no ama now no wasa be pa che aha Penyah block media best one say ni dey mo obe like video no that one subscribe button and be click notification icon for latest update na be chere wa adwen dey ama me e wo comment section so ba so no che for say nya bia ahwe. So it was Sunday Anna, you know, IshowSpeed Ghana ni branches or tiamre kamem e live stream ai ni din ai wo na de to no e berima kofie kufo but e wiase nyina ni dey friend IshowSpeed or no obe PM e Ghana ha ko oba ninchi akropon no free oba ninchi to oba na say live stream na wo across Africa na wo da bedur Ghana nanka oba no ka sen ko be end ni stream e Ghana ka after Ghana no to aso be ko be 3 days e Ghana how is it can go be 3 days but you know say wo sheba wo say wo di so stream na e wo so obe ko na Namibia it na ono so wa bre it was sanka wo di 3 days na ko ahome wo Ghana ha no kakra but wa bre it never say near Ghana di no utwa so no ko na Namibia na okoi bibi sharp e ho say ode the bibia ebe wi ne tournament ni bibia no ebe wi it Ghana they say oba Sunday anwumre and they say ofree ho no ofree Ghana ha Monday anwumre. Now you know bibia ya nice Ghana ye organize ya hu ye ekuhia ne kwan ye say ya mfa ni agro speed ba oba Ghana dey fa no wake up na ye ni abre pa se krodo na ye ni abre pa god na ewiase na hwe Ghana ko Ghana stream no it was one of the most anticipated stream and dom aye crowd and we hit a very huge crowd. O check Africa continent countries of course we are country be no nya highest instant live viewers as in Ghana. Ghana ye hitting 200,000 instant views. Nigeria crowd no Nigeria won 110k but Ghana hitting 200k. I was checking it. Ye hitting not views, not total views but instant. Some gusuka see nipa good live ehwe e just me post video some gusuka see no mu gusu live ehwe e koduru 200k. Nigeria population is about EBT wo. There's a Ghana there but more they call not stream no na air there. A lot happened and NGO in fact almost speed energy here. Kurujenje mfo nyina wo mu. Ai kurujenje just say we nyina Ghana ha. Ai ye nim say share butter museum ko Ghana ha ma akoda ho edi nkuto twetwum mi. Say speed man ke nim. Kurujenje okay yate ase ye nyina baby wa kurujenje na ba ye baby kurujenje na baby. Na IshowSpeed ekopie mu e wo Independence Square. Emedine ko kwa Nkrumah Museum. Na Nkrumah Museum no ana Nkrumah State no ho na waye sie no ye de ko ase e ma ne ko gina ho no ekotwa picture. Egusia out of nowhere. Ho no out of nowhere. Now Ralph the fellow Ghanaian. Wabeja was what no kokota kusuba na what they do ho no. Yo, let's put the camera. Relax. Do you see it? Yeah, this is the go this way.
No, where he was buried?
This needs to be right here. He needs to be right here. Can you get it?
We love you so much. We love you.
Can you see it?
Hello. So you need to have a tour of the place. Get the history behind.
He already told me.
And you don't want to have the tour?
He told me.
Yeah, so you need to have the tour.
Calm down. You here?
So take your time.
The voices are too many.
The lady that started the tour must continue with you from all the places. Behind you is the mausoleum. Behind you is the mausoleum. They need to tell you the story behind the whole place. So you need to take your time.
No,
tell your people to relax.
Listen. What you're saying is that he's not supposed to go everywhere. No. He just want to take a video of Nkrumah here.
Hold on.
And that's it.
Wait, one second. Let me get a picture with the statue.
That's it.
Let me get a picture with the statue. Let me get a picture with the statue.
No, chill. So you can laugh. That's okay. Hey. Is it okay?
Can you see me?
Space.
Is it good or you want to move?
Hey, Leon.
Chad, this is one of the back in 1992.
Tell everybody to go back. Come back.
There you go, look.
Get it? Take a picture.
Me and Leo to hold you up on the shoulder. Take a picture.
So where you are standing currently is the declaration ground. This is the exact point that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah stood to declare the independence of Ghana. This is the exact place he stood. So at the park, this is what we call the declaration ground. Just behind you. So let Madam take you through the talk. So just take your time.
So this is where Dr. Nkrumah stood to declare independence 6 March 1957. And this whole park was used by the British. They used to play the game polo and no black was supposed. So he declared it their base. Even though he declared, he was still not made president because the Queen was still around. So 1st July 1961, he was sworn in as president.
Oh, okay.
So the statue is made of bronze. His
So Chad, this is basically the declaration. Yeah.
So we are going to the museum. We want you to go and see the burial place. Let me know when you want us to pick you up. Just here.
Yeah.
Just behind.
Leon, go back. Leon, go back.
You got it?
Okay, so we are moving to the mausoleum.
Burial place. The burial.
You get it?
So let's do the mausoleum. When she comes, then we come back and take a picture. Okay, so please, the mausoleum, not everybody should go there. So control the crowd.
All right. So let's move. So we're going to the museum, then we come back again. Let's go.
Nice to meet you.
She's here. The minister is here.
What is going on?
That's it. The daughter of the that's it.
Wait, you see the manager, sir? That's the daughter.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I just wanted you to meet
That's your dad?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
We are here. Bro.
Morning.
Take the camera. Move out the way, the cameraman.
That's crazy. Cat, this is your daughter. Huh?
This is your home.
I know. This is my home. No, battle my Yakubu. That's crazy.
I hope you're an incrementalist and a Pan-Africanist. I hope you can continue the mission. Has faith in you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Do you believe Africans should be united?
We all should be united.
Good. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, that GoPro not gonna work. It's gonna look terrible. That GoPro won't work. It won't work. It's just because of the bit rate. No, it's because of the GoPro. Ralph Yeduru. Now, mine and what back on our cajon, now opens what trade be. Enifa anhyɛ da ama wo man mu sɛ wɔn ankasa na ɛba besua de abɛ tourist attraction oba tourism ana oba tour ɔno ankasa hyɛ da ma sɛ obesua wo history or head am sɛ oba besua bibia fa wo country ho wo se tintin atwan wo ba ne de bibia nkyeremu wom ɛwɔ sɛ ni obi all time ne time yɛ sɛi ne time yɛ sɛi how be kyerɛkyerɛ ni ne time yɛ sɛi ɛda sɛ mkura ni na Ralph so why na frɛ Ralph so be or why na frɛ Ralph because nipa minim say yasan so only this whole stream no eye wo de maya why na frɛ Ralph who called Ralph they say baby abehu Ralph bia ne kwase argument ni Jimmy nkwa to trust them ni Jimmy ho wa baso no oni ni koyi o pede yi
okay so bin kan che Ralph say ewiase na wo nya baby anakasa tenten bibi o ena nya baby anso na ye kyere ya adwe ho baby ho odu a ye din hwe bi na twam ko baby ho odu a ye din de yakoso no hwe bi na de twam ko Ralph kasa bebre emwa enya baby a na ejina baby anya baby a na ejina kasa Pakoshi IshowSpeed ade na like one ne ye din na de hwe bi ko o hwe guy no hwe speed crampo reactions towards your team said na wo kan show IshowSpeed go afu de na wo kan de opesa o che no guy no team say wo ha no na nyi de wo ye no enya baabia na ehia ye kasa enya baabia na ehia ye di nkomo na ye kire ya adwo baabi wo just observe and pass hwe bi now the twemko I knew said definitely this was going to happen. I knew said definitely this was going to happen. Ralph enya baabia na ehia ye kasa enya baabia na ehia ye ka bibia na ye kire ya adwo baabi wo ha uduru aye din na hwe bi na twemko na pe kasa do Ralph o pe kasa do hwe video na da so wo hwe IshowSpeed reaction what him say the Ralph na ni nye ho na no bukrampo aye den fu kopem se bounce no e bounce ni fio onkwa o de o yas Ralph onkwa de na woje Ralph e de na woje na ko hwe IshowSpeed ase ho na akokire ni nyansa wo se ho na akokire so onkwa ho so onye se so onye de yo at times just observe ye di na hwe bi na de ma bibia ntwem nko na o ya pe kasa do okruma say peace out.
Yo, na why na ma Ralph koko jina baby speed in channel. Won kwase asem ya kan ngwa se bia ka Ralph okwa kogu ye. Ralph ja Jimmy no wate. Wo kwati tintesu agogu speed so sa ade. Hey, obi aba na wono no oba be promote Ghana no. E ho na wo koye politics. Are you fucking crazy? Why Jimmy na speed of Ghana? Oh, me see. Dey Ghana obenye obi a wayare ana so wa Jimmy. Ebi ni Ralph. Adwuma be na Ralph ye. No akogina wo okotieti bogu ne kan so ani o na boys say pepe bi jina fa ujimi ni firi ai pepe bi jina jonso koda donkey man enko wogu ya ni mu asi o kurasi ni bi sa no Ralph no firi kro ba so kura awe John too much obi apase o feel more experience in Ghana what you say yamma ni fa di pa enya de efan ko onfa di panchire wiase nya say Ghana is the best ubetima ba be visit Ghana what you say be promote your tourism attraction places bebre e wona akwakoya politics e be tietie magu ne so wo de wa Jimmy no wase adwen say wo de politics Jimmy say nya kaiti speed Ghana nko ye fa no be speed Ghana problem fa do be akwa Jimmy hey Ralph no firi fa de brother say wo firi kuma asinke ya wo jonky man asia bi sa no Ayɛka Jimmy na mo ani ntina ayo kurasi ni dodo. Now we jump from there no. Ya said nko pie Bukom benku boxing arena. Whereas we ko di agro ko ji de ni kakra na ho no mo no BBC ye. You know, ani Bukom enku vibe stage ni ho no mo a or mo Bukom enku high five for actually. Bukom enku as no guy no. Now no, yes, I think about Independence Square. Independence Square ho no. After car drifts in bibia no. There's one guy friend no, you know, Mr. What's next? What is next? It is not a big problem for me. Now no we are go pay ho no. Bidim say on konu bibi actually show speed was a new ema e go liangara we. You can see the ya kwasi e bi kwa kwajide so. Eh ya rade nya me can say ya the ya Ghana ho. Kwasi e bi ebe iditi o kwa kwajide so. But Bukom head no so there bi. Adam yer manye ni. Ma me pacho eti Bukom so no. Abe pacho.
IshowSpeed, I beg you. Yesterday you greet me. I not see the ringside because but you know that I did perform. You come Ghana, so me I'm a superstar. You can ask everybody. I'm a great superstar in Ghana. Or if you come here, I go make something you make happy. So I apologize. I beg you in the name of God. Forget everything. I don't know that you greet me, so I beg you.
Chida waju mame, comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.